Hello everyone. YouTube mobile verification is a most important thing you have to do for get enable some features in your YouTube channel. This mobile verification required when upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Adding a custom thumbnails on your YouTube videos. Even go live stream or appealing content ID claims. So these are really important options you must get enabled to start your YouTube channel. Let's see how to do this within less than 5 minutes. Just go to your YouTube channel first of all. And click on your channel name icon. Go to YouTube Studio. So you can see I already have uploaded a video for this channel. It still don't have a custom thumbnail. Because adding a custom thumbnails are still not enabled in this channel. Now click on Setting option. So there will pop up several settings. Click on Channel. In there you can see few sub-settings. You must go through Feature Eligibility option. Now click on this Features that require phone verification option. So if your channel not gets verified with a mobile number yet, you can see this Verify Phone Number option. Let's click on that. This account verification is a really simple two-step process. Firstly, you must select a verification method between mobile call or text message options. So I choose text message. Now enter your mobile number. Remember that a one mobile number can use up to 2 accounts verification only. Now you must get the verification code off that mobile number. Type it here and submit it. That's it. Now your YouTube channel has verified and enabled the options I mentioned before. Let's try to add a custom thumbnail onto my uploaded video. It must be possible now. It's enabled. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe my channel for watch this kind of important video tutorials. See you again in next video.